Hey guys, welcome back. I built a second version of Lego Coin Pusher. Let me turn it on. Like I said before, if I get 5 subscribers, I will show you how it works. If I get 10 subscribers, I'll show you how to build it. Alright. The changes that I made to it was I put the glass on up here. I finished this so it's solid all the way back. Alright. Boards here. Got the little side trays like before. Hold on just a second here. There. You can just watch what comes out. Nothing yet. Oh. There we go, we got something. That's how it goes. There's quite a bit of coins on the side here. Just keeps coming. Alright. Back it up so you can see more of it. There we go. I also made this one so it will take the corners. Here's how to put them in to the other side. That's never good. I don't know why I just did that. Let me see if I can fix that. There we go. I got it working again. Coin just got jammed up in there, that was it. Just put the glass back on. Sometimes the coins will get jammed on the sides, so. Put the sides here. I'll just leave these out for now, so I don't have to keep pulling them out. See just how much is coming out. Yeah, I'd like to have an arcade where you can play these, like online or an actual arcade Lego Land like this. See how built up the coins are getting in here. Locked up again. This time I think it is a Slim Jim. I'll just hold on a second here. Hold on. Empty out the area. There we go. Let's see just how many coins I have. I don't know if I'll keep going or not much longer. I'll just put a couple more coins in here. Locked up again. This usually doesn't happen. There we go. Almost. Well, I could sit here all day and keep going, so I'm just gonna keep winning, but you get the idea of what it is. Like I said, if I get enough subscribers, I'll show you how it works and show you how to build it. Thanks for watching.